You searched how to buy shares of Marie Brizard Wine and Spirits S.A. Marie Brizard is a French liqueur and spirits producer listed on Euronext with the ticker MBWS.PA, and this video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds to buy. Open the platform search and type the ticker MBWS.PA. Then select the result that matches Marie Brizard Wine and Spirits S.A. to find the correct listing. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart for context. Confirm the market shows Euronext and the ticker MBWS.PA so you have the correct stock. Click Buy, choose whether to invest by amount or number of shares, enter the amount, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. The link is in the description if you want to follow the same example on eToro.